Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm doing another one called a bucket of fish. This is part of Hacktify Battle. I think it was done, I think 2 months ago something. TryHackMe is releasing them now. Uh, Dark Injector has been using Gmail phishing website to try to steal our credential. We believe some of our users may have fallen for his trap. Can you retrieve the list of victim users? They give us the link of the website. So now if we go to the website, we go that straight, we get it's called CMA, so it's trying to fake a Gmail account. If I just say, for example, at local.com and see test, the first thing you come, it said method not allowed. Usually when you have things like that, sometimes you try to say, okay, network, you can just reset and say, let's change the method. For example, I said edit and resend. We can say what's the option. For example, maybe it's not there. If I look, for example, now the response, now it changed from it to not allow. It says forbidden, access forbidden, call not enabled for this packet, and talk about bucket. If we change it to, for example, get request, now the request it said not found here, doesn't say forbidden. So the get request and then it said key error, not such key, something like that. The first thing when you, because we talk about we're talking about bucket here. When you look for this, the name of the bucket, it's clear. This is the name of the bucket. Dark injector. We need it's in US West Region 2 because it's in Amazon. Uh, when you have the name or something, these two ways to solve this room. Let me do the comments because sometimes I forget them. Remember we have the link is set as because when you know the bucket name and you know where is the region, the link will be always the bucket name s3 dot the bucket region dot house amazonhouse.com. Here you can access the bucket directly if it's allowed, so you can just copy it and go there. And then here you can see what we got this XML file. And in XML file we said capital login. You can see we already found the file we're looking for, and then we have which one? As we have two files. We have this one called capital login, and then we have one called the index file, the index.html. So maybe I'm interested in this file. So that file we can get it because you have the link for the bucket. We can just call it. So you can just get the link of the file. So we know the name because we know the bucket. That's the bucket. So I can just come here. I can just do wget request. We have the name of the. This is the bucket, and then I want the name of the file, which is here. I know we got the file. I'm not showing the flag, so I just went to the end of let's say the 15 character of the file. So you can see the last one is the flag. So if I said, for example, head minus n1, you can see they get as user password, let's say n3. So you get the username, user password. The last line is the flag. So this way you can do this way, you can get the flag this way. The second way, because it's a bucket, you can, because we know the name of the bucket from the link, we know the region, we know we do no sign up because now we are not interacting with keys. So if I do this for example, I can get this. You got same things, the two file that we got now. This is the file and that's the file we got this through. So you don't need to be fancy, you can straight get it through your browser. So it's not like some kind of this is straightforward. So now because I have it now, you can just call it. So if I call it now, basically what it say, get me the bucket, this one, and I need this file that we're looking for. You need to tell at region and no sign because we're not doing the keys and all of that. And basically we get the same file that we got it before. If I get this minus n, that's the first three line of this capta, we can see what we got before. If I do tail minus character, for example 15, the last 15 character of this file, and it's basically your flag at the end. So basically the whole story for these things is to know it's a bucket. So when you see the link, you can directly know that's the name of the bucket, that's the region. Then you can go straight to the bucket directly by its name .s3. Then you add the region, and then you add amazonhouse.com, and then you get. This is not always available, but remember, it's this one. It's that's why it's we're able to get it. So it's not secure, and then you get the file, and then you can access them like an HTML website. Um, the second method, of course, is using the house command line. You just need to do a no signed request. It's same things about always have the bucket name, where it exists, and then yeah, I think that is straightforward. You can even solve it here in your things. You can just take this the file, copy it here, just put it there, and just say I want that file, and then you can download it here. You can download it here. So you get it straightforward. Yeah, this the whole point is knowing the name of the file. That's what we have. That's it. Hope you guys help you, and thank you very much, and have a good day.